I've had clients at Alligator Alcatraz from the day it opened until the day it closed, throughout the whole time. I suppose it was a lesser it's gone, so it's not an evil we have to worry about at this point. It seems like immigration enforcement has ebbed and slowed, peaked and slowed. Lately, though, it's been very aggressive. I don't know if it's in preparation for the elections, but immigration enforcement has been very aggressive. And what we are seeing as immigration advocates is a total lack of respect for any rights, okay? Any rights. Just to give you an example, um, just yesterday morning, I had a client who has valid status, and I'm not talking about a pending asylum. He actually has a T visa approved, okay, which means that he cannot be detained and he cannot be deported. Um, he was driving in Florida. He had a valid driver's license. He had the approval of the visa on him, as well as his work permit. That visa allows someone to obtain employment authorization, a work permit for 4 years. And he had all of that. And he was pulled over because there was a CBP stop in Florida. They're very common. And, the officer's telling him he's going to be detained. Well, my clients are trained, so he knows to call me right away if that ever happens. And so he does. And I say, please ask the officer if he will talk to me. And the officer says, yes, he does talk to me on speakerphone from my client's phone. And I explained to him, look, you can't detain him. He is in valid status.